Hi Dresser Cuties, Waiting here. Today we're going to draw a little polar bear, so let's get started. To draw this cute polar bear, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and start with a circle. And I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. Now that my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. Now I have my eyes in, I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then we need to draw the big polar bear nose. So right in between the eyes, I'm going to say about right here. Start with a curve about right there. And then I'm going to round it off on the sides and bring it in towards the center and connect. To draw this big nose, and then from there I'm going to come to the top right here and just draw this flat oval for a highlight and shade everything else in. There. So now that nose in, let's come back to the center and let's say about right here, I'm just going to come down with a little line right in the center, and then I'm going to curve it out and cap it off. So same thing here, curve it out and cap it off. And you can also come back right about here, and I'm just going to lightly draw a little line. And then where you're coloring, just draw like a really light gray around for the snout, for the nose area. So then from there we need to draw the big polar bear head. So let's just imagine this big dumpling shape. So I'm going to use my eyes as my guide. I'm going to come to the side of my eye, come up nice and high. So I'm just going to say about right here I'll start. So kind of about right here. I'll give myself a point, and from there I'm just going to go ahead and draw a big curve all the way back to this other side of my eye. So about right here, just approximate, just so I know where I'm going. But if you're drawing pretty small, it's a little bit easier. You don't have to give yourself these points. But from there, I'm just drawing this big curve over for the head. And now that I have that, I'm going to come, let's see here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw some polar bear ears. So I'm just going to go draw a big curve around. And just imagining this is coming down, so I'm stopping right about here, and I'm going to go around the eye. So same thing here, just a round cute polar bear ear, and once again just coming through, and we're going to go around the eye just like the other side. There. And let's come back in. So imagine there's a line through here, but we're going to skip a little bit of space and draw the inside of our ear. So same thing here. Just skip a little bit and draw the inside. There. Then from there, let's finish off our head. So I'm going to come here and let's go ahead and draw a big curve, both sides, and then bring it in. So I'm not going to connect the head shape. I'm just going to leave it open. Just makes it look a little bit softer. But if you like, you can go ahead and connect if you want. There, so I have this about right here, this curve. Then from there we can draw the body. So using my eye as my guide, the side of my eye, I'm saying about right here, and go ahead and draw a curve. And same thing here for the body. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come down with our curve. See how big we should make this body. And so let's come back to about right here. We need to draw the paws first of the hand. So let's say about right here. I'm not going to pass my center, just keeping my center in mind. I'm going to come right about here and come down with a curve. And come out. So same thing on the other side. Right here. Again, towards the center. And in. Just cute little hands, nice and simple. And we're just going to go in 2 little marks right here for the hands. And then let's see here, then we can bring this down a little bit now that we know where the hands are. And let's stop about right there. We're going to draw the feet. So from here, I'm going to pop this out, a curve, and bring it in. So same thing here, same level, pop it out, just same level and bring it in. There, it looks really weird, right? But we are going to add more details. So then right here, we're going to just connect it with a curve. Oops. And so using this curve right here, I'm just going to go ahead and bring it in. There, so same thing here. So once again, I'm not going to connect it just to make it look extra soft. And then from here, I'm just going to go ahead about right here. Just draw this oval shape for the pads of the foot. And then just 3 ovals. And so same thing over here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we need to put something in our polar bear's hand, right? So I was trying to figure out what to put, and I just came up with a fish. But you can put whatever you like. Maybe a heart if you want to give it to someone you love, or a gift, anything. But today our polar bear is going to have a fish. So I'm going to say about right here if you want to do that. You come right here, just draw this angle. Imagine it coming through, oops. And about right here, just draw a cute little fish. And right here, just add a little tail. And then about here, just break it up for the head. And a little eye. And a little fin for a detail. Do we want to put a mouth? Maybe, I think I'll just leave it. And that is pretty much it, except I need to put a heart somewhere for my polar bear. So where should I put my heart? I would put it right here then, on the paw. On the padding, I mean. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this cute little polar bear. I really hope you love it and that I helped you draw fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.